So you were to go into a time machine, go back, press a button, go back to your younger self, what would you say to your younger self?
Dang. Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Hurry up. Go faster.
Wow. Go faster.
Yeah, because see, when I was young, I'll tell you the two
You
stupid
started
things I
at
did when I was
16
young.
though. Yeah.
Yeah, but here's the thing. I believed in, you hear all of these millennial coaches out there telling everyone, you got to hustle and grind, which is the dumbest shit ever. Sorry, dumbest stuff ever. Hustle and grind just covers up problems in your business. And I did that in the beginning. I thought in the beginning in my head that it was a badge of honor for me to bootstrap my way through this, for me to be working 12, 16-hour days. Like, this is a badge of honor. Reality was that all it did was cover up all of the problems in my business. By me working that hard, I covered them up. And I didn't realize I had bad marketing, and didn't realize that my sales strategy wasn't correct, and didn't realize my pricing policy was out of line with where it should have been. So, a lot of those things that just had to change. And now they do, and now we're different. Now we do it a different way. And so I would say that was the first thing. I should have taken on capital and expanded faster in that way.
Okay.
And the other thing was, I do say move faster. I doubted myself when I was younger. There was a lot of things where, I don't think I should do that. Maybe I'm not ready for that. Maybe I'm not. No, I should have just gone for it. Just
faster. Go for it. Yep. Okay.
Yeah. And that's any young person in business that's holding back. It's like, come on, hurry up. Hurry it up. The world's not waiting for you. Get going, go faster. Set a much, much bigger goal, I think, would be the other thing. Set a much, much bigger goal.